Hello everyone, this is Aza here, and I wanted to follow up with my last video with just talking about how to get a nice sound from open strings in a caменja. So I wanted to talk a little about the bow to do this. When you take a microscope and look at the horsehair that is the hair of any bow, really, for any stringed instrument, you can see tiny little hairs or little nodules that stick out that will grab the string of an instrument and be able to push and pull it, and it basically grabs the string. So I want to focus on trying to push and pull each of these strings just nonchalantly here on this channel and see if it can help us in any way. So I want to pull it this way and pull it this way and push it that way. I probably just made that very out of tune doing that. There we go. So let's try it. So I want to pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, do that down, up, up, down, just for another exercise and how to get an interesting sound. So each beginning of a note, I want to have a little bit of a sound, like caменja, okay, for caменja. That will help get those really good grip on the string so that we'll have a good tone. I can kind of tone it down and do a little bit less when I want to have a more lyrical passage or sound differently. I don't always need to start with a big so let's try the middle two strings. It's really hard to play the middle two strings, the E and A, by themselves without pollution from another string. I don't need any chord pollutions here. I just want to have one beautiful note. So let's try that on A string. So push and pull. Oh, did you hear that sound pollution right there? I heard another E. Okay. Let's try E. Really trying to work on pushing and pulling the sound there. Then lastly, our A. That rings really nicely when I push and pull in that way. Another kind of fun exercise is to try to play all four of the strings and just see what kind of a ring we can get from them. Well, that was not ringing at all. That's why this is experimental. Okay. Also experimental. So with that, I'm just experimenting how much of this horizontal motion we want along with this turning. It's difficult to turn as this is moving. It's almost as if this needs to move twice as fast to keep up with this sound-wise. So that's just it for now for the experimenting with sound, and I hope that was somewhat helpful, or somebody can leave me a helpful comment below. I hope you guys are having a great day.